Hello everyone, in this video we'll try to learn animating text in this fashion in Blender video editing workspace. So I have two channels here. So one is with, if you can see right here, it has that welcome to option. The other channel is like which is having quick YT. Okay, so I want to animate the text. So what you have to do is that you have to click on this channel. Let's work on first part. So I'll just click on this clip. Okay, and then you have to work with keyframes here. Okay, keyframes. So here if you can see right, there are actually two channels which we have it here. Okay, one is with there's a welcome to. Okay, which has this on channel 6, and there is channel 5 which has quick IT. So we'll try to animate these things. First we'll work one by one. Okay, so I will work on channel 6 as welcome. So you have to select this. Initially you place the text wherever you want. Okay, if you want you can just use this location. So where is that? This is for moving right and left, and this is for moving up and down. Okay, so I'll just keep it here. So if you can see right, my mouse arrow. So here it is the text. Okay, in here you have to work with keyframes. Once you are in the start button, right, you have to click on this animate property. There is a right in the layout option. So you click this and click on Y as well. And then what you have to do, go till end, keep your cursor here, that line, and then you have to bring in your text to which position you want. Okay, so I'll make it here, dragging it. Okay, I want till the end it should come up here. Once it is done, right, so you have to mark this. So you have to lock it. Okay, so if you see right now, the color gets changed. So let's just play it now. So how it works, I'll just show you. So if you see it, as the video goes, it comes and stops here. Now let's work with the other thing, which is quick IT. Okay, here it is there, quick IT. So if you see right, what I will do is right, I have to, so currently I have to set it to initial location. Let me just put it here. So I'll make it in the end. So if you see it, I've set the initial position to here, and then I'll click on this channel 5 and then go on, select this keyframes. Okay, you select this and then drag till end. You have to repeat the same process, okay, which we have done for channel 6 clip. Till here you go, and then you bring your, I will do that, I'll bring it here and then adjust it here and then it here. Okay, once it is done, right, if you feel right this looks good, let's just make it one more bit here. I feel like this looks good, then we have to lock it. Okay, so once you lock it, right, so this you should be good. Okay, so let's just play it. So if you see it looks pretty good. If you want it, you can just drag. I'm just extending this. I'll just extend it so that we can look it properly. Just let's play it one more time. So this is how you can animate a simple text, okay, in Blender video editing workspace. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.